Alright, so the next widget that we're going to add is going to be a center widget. And in this center widget, we're going to have a loading variable. And for this loading variable, if our loading variable is true, then we want to show our image asset. But if our loading variable is false, then we're going to show our output and our title. Now, that right there was my little kitty Crystal. He might be interrupting sometimes, so I hope you guys enjoy it just as much as I do. Now, as I was saying, our loading variable here will act as logic between showing our image output or showing our image asset if no prediction has been made. So first thing we need to do is go to the top here and set a bool, and we'll call this bool loading, and we'll set it to true. And here, if our loading variable is true, then we want to show a container, okay? Else, show this container. And if you don't know, this question mark is if this is true, then show this, and then this semicolon is else, okay? So in the true gate, I'm going to set a child to column, and in this column we'll have children, and the first widget is image.asset. And here we'll do some assets cat.png, okay? Next, we're going to have a size box, and the size box will be of height 50. And beautiful, okay? So that's nice. That's nice. Let's just change the width of this container to 300, okay? Let's do 250. 250, okay? No. Sorry about that. Let's do 280. 280 is good. All right. So now that we have our image, let's put a button or two buttons, okay? We're going to work on this else gate later on. Just for now, let's just set up the basic layout, and then we'll start working on implementing the neural network. So after our center widget, so this widget right here, let's just add some commas. You know, I like my clean code, so if you see me putting some commas, just know that's the reason why. So we're gonna add a container widget, and inside of here we'll set a width of media query .of context .size .width, so we get the device width. Next, we're going to set a child parameter, and this is going to be of type column, or it's going to be returning a column widget, depending on how you'd like it worded. Next, we're going to set the children parameter, and the first child will be a gesture detector, good old gesture detector. And in here, we'll set an onTap method, and for now, we'll just return empty function. Next, we're going to set a child, and in this child we'll have a container, and this container will be of width media query .of context .size .width, and we'll subtract 260 from it. Next, we're going to set an alignment property, and this alignment property will be alignment.center. Next, we'll have a padding, and the padding will be edge insets.symmetric. And we'll set horizontal equal to 24 and vertical equal to 17. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Now we're going to set a decoration for this container. So let me just make sure I'm in the right parentheses. It's one thing about Flutter, always got it. It's nice to have clean code, because if you get messed up and mixed up in your parentheses, that can be, you can be debugging for hours for something that's just simple parentheses placement, you know? So make sure you put the right place for your parentheses. Okay, don't go through what I've been through. So next, we'll set the decoration parameter, and that will be box decoration. And in here, we'll set the color equal to color 0xFFE99600, and we'll set a border radius, and we'll set it to border radius dot circular. And in here, we'll have a nice number 6, a nice even number. And okay, looks good. Let's add a child, and for this child we're going to have a text, and this text is going to say take a photo. Okay, so take a photo from your camera. Okay, and we'll set a style to text style colors.white. Easy. All right, looks good. Let me change this up a little, make it longer. Let's do 210. Okay. No. Let's do 190. Okay. No. Let's do 150. All right. And I'm going to add a size box on top of this text right here. So for this, let's just do 80. Let's try 80. Let's do 85. All right. 85 is nice. So now we'll add our next button, and since it's going to be the exact same as the one we just did, we're just going to copy and paste it and change the text. So I'm just going to add a size box of height 10, and we're just going to copy and paste this gesture detector and paste it right after our beautiful size box. Okay, and in here we'll do camera roll. All right, cool. So this is it for the basic layout. Now let's start playing with the neural network. Okay, so I'll see you guys in the next lecture. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, please let me know in the comments, and I'll be more than happy to help.